This is All Things Motoring News. To read the full articles or view the full videos, click on the links below. In our podcast, Keep It or Change Cars, scooter driver mayhem. Are they the new taxi menace? Catch You Ask We Answer. Stance cars debate. Is lowered suspension unsafe or uber cool? In this episode of All Things Motoring, Ford passion meets pure performance at Zwartkops Raceway for the Lazarus Ford Legends Day. TGR SA gears up for high-stakes doubleheader at Perris. Mahindra's new state-of-the-art vehicle assembly facility in Durban, signalling the next phase of local growth. Rox Motor, the next Chinese brand for South Africa. VW Polo crowned best car of the half-century. New Kia Carnival, live a big life. If you're looking at buying a Kia, log on to changecars.co.za. Remember, to read the full articles or view the full videos, click on the links below. All Things Motoring News is proudly brought to you by Change Cars. If you're looking to sell, need advice, need finance, or need insurance, Change Cars has you covered.